Hello kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn ABCD, light green color, orange color, neon color, purple color, skin color, dark green color, pink color, yellow color and brown color. Let's start. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. A for arrow. A for arrow. B for butterfly. B for butterfly. B for bat. B for ball. C for carrot. C for cake. C for cap. C for cat. D for dog. D for donkey. D for doll. D for dog. E for egg. E for eggplant. E for eat. E for ear. F for frog. F for fish. F for fruit. F for flower. G for goat. G for girl. G for gold. G for God. H for hen. H for house. H for home. I for eyes. I for ice cream. I for ink pot. I for eyes. J for joker. J for jug. J for jelly. J for jug. So kids, what we learn today? We learn A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.